Wow, I really don't know how to point on camera. And yeah, sorry. This is how I do it. Take after take, because I'm awesome. I'm also Ricky Bobby. I don't know what to do with my hands.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Be good just to hold them down by your side. Yeah, great.
So just holster those. This is why it's all hacked up in editing and stitched together. Hey! Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's good to see you. Parts bench over here. Don't worry about that stuff. That's other videos. This box here though, just showed up. I'm super excited for it. I hope you guys are too. Obviously you read the title, saw the thumbnail. Got this box here from Evolution Tuning, header for the 2.5. Got this nice box here from Evolution Tuning. They jumped on board to support the channel, so I'm super excited to have them as supporters. They sent this header over here. We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna get our initial first look at it, kind of go over some things with it. Future videos are gonna be install, sound comparison, power, feel. So a bunch of videos coming down the line for this. I hope you guys are excited. I'm super excited. I actually got this box yesterday and I didn't open it yet. So you guys are gonna get the real reaction of me seeing this bad boy for the first time. Huge shout out to Evolution Tuning. Thanks for sending this guy over. Thanks for supporting the channel. All right, guys, so like I said, we're gonna unbox this thing, get this header out of here. But I just wanted to mention, I did start a new Etsy shop, Third Pedal Threads, making a bunch of automotive apparel, kind of flagshipping it with the 07K Motorsport shirt here, featuring a red Jetta on gold wheels. If you guys know my car, it's a red Jetta on gold wheels. There's a couple versions of it. One's got the Jetta on it here. I do have one with a Mark V Rabbit, so definitely check it out. Links to that down in the description below. Also, links to Evolution Tuning. Check out the links, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. All right, guys. One last little break, little side step before we take a deeper look at this thing. Come here, come here, come here, come here. You trust me? I know you do. You're gonna thank me later. So, like, really thank me. You're welcome. Just a few more minutes of your time and then deeper look at the header, all right? Got me? Feel me? Good? Okay, so fact sheet time. Just a few things, bullet points to go over before we take a deeper look at this header. So SS304 stainless, 16-inch primary equal length runners, which is known to improve performance. Equal length, they are routed into the collector in the firing order, 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, which is gonna help draw out and maintain velocity of those exhaust gases. Again, improving performance. And the main thing here is this header was designed for easy installation. Don't have to manufacture your own downpipe, don't have to do anything else. You just take the stock exhaust manifold off, you put this header on, comes with the gaskets, comes with all the hardware you need for installation. Just gonna bolt right in. That's nice.
Very nice, how much?
So a few of the recent updates that they've done to this header, it's a thicker CNC machined head flange. It's also got a reinforced downpipe flange, and then the collector has a smoother transition and is also sturdier. So this whole thing has just been beefed up. So you remember a little bit ago when I said you'd thank me later and that you trusted me? This is the part where you're gonna thank me. Not only did Evolution Tuning jump in to support the channel and my Jetta, they are also being a huge supporter of you guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Here's a little payback for you. Evolution Tuning jumped on to support you with this wonderful 10% off discount code. So hit the link in the description below, head over to Evolution Tuning, add this header to your cart, put that discount code in, save 10%. It's gonna save you some good money. Then head on over to Third Pedal Threads, the Etsy shop that I started with these wonderful shirts. Use some of that money you saved and buy a shirt or 2 or 3. Yeah, you'll like them. We're all fans of the 5-cylinder. Plus I got a bunch of other stuff on there. So shameless plug, because I can, because it's my business and I can do what I want. But huge shout out to Evolution Tuning, supporting me, supporting you. Go save yourself some money and get a awesome performance add-on for your 5-cylinder engine. Yeah, I told you you'd thank me later. You're welcome. Hi, box. You guys have no idea how excited I am for this. Evolution Tuning came through clutch. Super excited to have them as supporters of the channel, and also just having them want me to do honest videos on this. You guys ready? I'm super excited. Hope you're as excited as I am. EVOlution Tuning, cutting the box open. Gonna check out this header. Really the only power-proven header on the market for the Volkswagen 07K 5-cylinder. So definitely excited for this. This will pretty much bring me full bolt time. There's a few little other odds and ends for me. Got the glare of the sun coming in from behind me. I got one garage door shut and one open, trying to let enough light in, but not enough. Anyways, installation instructions, really nice detailed pictures. That's actually a really nice little touch. Get some of this packing out of here. Unboxing videos are typically boring. I'm trying not to make it boring for you. Oh,
you know what I'm talking about.
all nice and wrapped. I can even see there's a little wrench in there. So let's cut all this bubble wrap off and take a look at the welds and take a look at the unit itself. I'm so excited. I know I keep saying that, but you guys have no idea how excited I am for this thing. Super stoked to have these guys on board, supporting the Jetta, supporting the channel. You know this Jetta is getting kind of prepped to do some track days and stuff, so you'll definitely hear this thing ripping in all its glory on the track. Trying to be careful unboxing this because there's a gasket in there that don't want to bend. New gasket, obviously you're gonna need that. Also comes with a very narrow, shallow, thin, however you want to describe it, 12mm wrench. So nice of them to throw that in there. A lot of people just have standard wrenches that might be too thick and more of a pain to be working on this. Plus you get all new hardware here. So a bunch of nuts and then 4 bolts. So you've got both ends of this covered hardware wise. Oh my gosh, guys. This is nice. This is a thing of beauty for sure. You got the other gasket on this end. I'm gonna get that off of there before I start screwing anything up, because that's what I like to do. They really did take care in packaging this. They've got the cardboard for support. Obviously you don't want to be bending your gaskets and stuff. Definitely took care in supporting this. Huge flanges on these things, which is nice. You're not gonna have any warping. You're gonna have a good seal, O2 bung, and then really beefy flange here. This thing looks solid. I was debating on whether I wanted to coat this or not. I mean, looks wise, especially once this thing heats up and does a couple temp cycles on it, just being the raw material like this is gonna look really good. You could get these like jet hot coated or something, keep the temps down in the engine bay a little bit. That's kind of why I'm looking at coatings. Stay tuned to the channel because we may or may not be getting this coated. I can't say for certain yet, but the quality on this looks super amazing. I'll try to get some close-up shots and some B-roll, which is probably what you're looking at right now anyway. You guys, this is the sauce right here. This is it, man. Like, I'm super thrilled. This piece looks amazing. These are all hand built by essentially a small mom and pop size shop. So they're not turning these things out at any kind of crazy volume. These are all hand built. They have to source all the parts, get them in, hand build them, hand weld them. You're getting a piece that has had a lot of attention and stuff taken to it. So this is cool. I love it. Thank you again, EVOlution Tuning. This thing looks amazing. Guys, if you haven't heard of them and you're in the 2.5 community, you've been living under a rock.
No way. Hey Rick, check this out.
These guys have been around for a while, since the 2.5 originally came out back in like 05. That's when Victor, the owner, really started taking an interest. He's always been a Volkswagen guy. As soon as he saw the 5-cylinder, he took an interest in it. And I can tell you that, you know, that's his passion. He loves it. They designed this header to increase performance, help pull those exhaust gases out so you can fill it with more intake air and fuel and make more power. Like I said before, this is the only proven header on the market for the 07K, the 5-cylinder, in its naturally aspirated form that produces an increase in power over stock. And it's done right. Your O2 sensor's in the proper spot. Everything's good. It's a full bolt-on. You don't have to modify any other part of your exhaust. You just pull the factory header off, or the manifold, pull that off, put this on, and go from there. Go have some fun, go make some better 5-cylinder noises if you ever thought it could get better. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. We are gonna be doing an install video. We're gonna be doing a initial reaction video for driving it, sound-wise, power-wise. We're gonna see how the, the old butt dyno dials up and tell you how it feels. If you've been watching my channel, you know that my car is integrated engineering stage 2, so it's got the short runner intake manifold with their tune. So it's gonna be a good accompanying part to that. I'm super excited to see how the power band responds and where the power comes in, and hopefully makes it a little bit more usable down low, mid-range, and then keeps the top end of the stage 2 with the short runner intake. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. This is nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment down below, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more Evolution tuning videos on this header and the Mark V Jetta that I drive. So I'll see you next time. Whew, it's hot in here. Good thing I got this nice breathable Gildan 07K Motorsport tee, supporting the 5-cylinder community and staying comfy. Whew, gotta love Arizona.